YouTubers, this is Ali. Here I'm about to replace a charging port on Samsung Galaxy S6. That is really complicated and really hard and sensitive job to do. So sorry I started the video a bit late, but I'll explain what I did is. So first of all, we need to take the back off, which is here, and then obviously they got adhesive tape, so we need to use a heat gun to heat the corners, and then obviously with the Spedger on Prayer Tools we take the back glass off. So when you take the back glass off, you won't have this, you'll have a proper which is the back case here, right here. This one is the second thing that you would need to take it off. So obviously you need to heat up all over here, and then slowly you need to pull the screen off from all around. So just it's glued here, but it's not that bad glued, because if you slightly give it a bit of heat and it will just come off. It's not a big deal. This is for the wireless charging, and obviously this is the screen. Now, understanding one thing about Galaxy, new Galaxies, the port, this is the charging port. If I put this aside, I'm just going to go through this one, because I've seen a lot of videos which are really helpful. So I'm just going through this one really quick and really in detail. This is the Galaxy S6 charging port, sorry. It goes right here. If you could see this one here, there we go. So what is this to? This is the back button flex, and this is the option flex, that you have on the two buttons on the Galaxy S6. So this literally goes under the screen, right here underneath. If you can see, oh, come on, where is it? There you go. So here under this. So what you need to do is, most of people, they take completely everything off, and then they put this one on back on, which is also good, but I think it's just more waste of time. The easiest way to do this job is from here 1 inch to there, and all this, you just give it a bit of heat here, and then from inside, just get through the Prayer Tools Spedgers, or the picking tools, whatever tools you use, inside this gap between the Galaxy S screen and the cover. Look at this. Then you would need to give it enough heat so you can pull the port out. If I show you here, so really, this one, we got one, and the other one's right in here. I've taken this one off now. Sorry, I just started it late, because I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So it's so bad, so I can't redo this one. So if you see, that's one of the button that goes inside here, just like that. Sorry, it's like that. Here. So just need to take it off, right? And now if you see, one of the other button is still inside, which is not really easy to pull out. I don't want to strip it off, not because I'm going to use this again, just for sensitive purpose. So what I do is, if I give it a bit of heat here on the top, if you can see, and probably you need to just pull it up a bit, the camera. It should be fine, I suppose. Now what you need to do is, you need to get underneath here, use your tools, if you could probably see them, and just unglue it, or unstick it from the screen, and then just see where else is glued in. Really, it's a matter of just because it's got these buttons got like double-sided tape button inside, so you just need to probably there you go. So I'll speak more in this section because this is really delicate. If I show you here the inside of this place, it's a bit complicated. What you need to do is just they are glued in, stuck. Bloody hell, man, the camera, what the heck? Could you just stay upright? Here, right, if you stay here, it'll be very nice. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I'm just gonna go through this one again. The camera is just right there. So this part, one of the bit is out now, you can see. The other bit is still inside, stuck. So what you need to do is you need to make sure you unplug this from top and bottom, both sides, and literally just pull it out. Sometimes it's a bit complicated because it's if you see it's not going to come off easily, just put a bit of heat. But don't apply a lot of heat because this may like cause. There you go. Okay. Thank God it came out. As you can see here, this is the okay, this is the user basically because it's broken, so we took it off now. Now if you see, this is the new one, the replacement. The replacement has got also got two bits of connections here, so we need to take this one off from here, and this will exactly go where it should go. There you go. And then probably so what we need to do, we need to make sure that they are properly set down there whatsoever, and then okay. Alright, so this one, the new port that you got, goes like that. So this two, they fold up nicely like that. You see this one in here, so we're gonna stick this inside this side first. I don't know whether the camera is okay. Fine. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we put it to the. So as you can see with. So this is how you do it. You just put this through inside the between the LCD and the frame, and it's got a specific area where it can go, as well as this one, and then probably just put everything down and then connect the charging port. connect everything back to its place, basically, you know. So yeah, literally that's how we put the charging port. You need to be really careful because this is really sensitive job. Most professionals, they know what they're doing. So if you're non-professional, and you want to give it a try, so make sure you do not overheat the phone and be sensitive, and try avoid any faults on the screen. So that would do the job. Thank you very much for your time. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.